Hey guys, it's Maya. Welcome back to my channel. How are you guys doing today? I hope all is well. Again, I'm praying for everyone out there in LA. As I said, my thoughts and my prayers are with all of you. You guys, as I said the other day, you guys are one amazing city. You guys are great people. You guys are in my thoughts daily. I don't know, as I said before, I'm still at a loss for words. It's just been a rough couple of days, and I just want to make sure everybody is okay out there. I'm just sending my genuine love to all of you out there. So for today's video, I'm going to be doing an unboxing. I actually like doing these. It's actually fun for me. It's something different than you guys see me doing tutorials and then just explaining, what I'm doing all the time. I like to do different things and expand my videos and do other stuff that I think people might like. So I'm gonna do an unboxing today. So you guys ready to see what I got? Okay, so basically with Lurella, they had a 4-piece mystery limited edition eyeshadow palette. You don't know what you're getting, so sorry guys, it's 4 pieces, so I didn't know what I was getting, so I'm excited. Let's find out. Okay, so this is it. So I'm gonna start with this one, and this is called the Let's Be Jolly palette. I think this came out, I don't know how long ago, but I would always see it on their website and I always wanted to try it. So I have to say, the one thing that really intrigued me the most about this is the packaging. It's really pretty. It has a really cute snowman, a snow globe. And then the back. And then this is the inside. Hold on guys. So this is the inside, and these are all the colors. It's very winter. This is like a very winter toned palette. I apologize for the noise, guys. So this is like one of their colors. It's called Snow Globe. Isn't that pretty? So then this is what it looks like. So it's a very pink sheen type of look. I absolutely love they have the blue colors in here because blue is one of my favorite colors. And they have a lot of gold shades, so there's like a lot of brown, blue shades, and I think it's perfect for the winter. So you guys might definitely see me use this one for the winter time. In some upcoming tutorials, you guys will definitely see that. Move on to the next one. So the next one, I have been waiting to get my hands on this. So this is the Rose palette, you guys. I think it's so cute. Like, this is the shape of a rose. This is the back, and I love the packaging. I think it's really cute. They really did their thing on this from Lurella. Shout out to them. It's one of my favorite indie brands. So this is it, you guys. Isn't this cute? Like, the packaging is shaped of a rose. So you take the plastic off. So this is the mirror. These are all the shades. So it's like very red, purple, gold. So it kind of gives me like a Valentine's type of feel because it has red and purple in it, and I think it's really cute. If you guys ever get this bundle, if it's still available on the website, definitely check these out. the last two in the bunch, I never had these before and I'm really happy that I got it. So this was a part of their subscription box, I think last year. This was the So Groovy palette. This definitely gives me 70s vibes, y'all. It's one of my favorite eras. I think it's really cool. So this is the, yes, take me off. This is the packaging. I think it's really cute. They really stepped it up with this packaging. I love it. So again, this is a very big mirror. And I'm gonna just show you guys the colors. I can't, okay, yeah. So this is all the colors. It has a lot of really nice bold colors. There's some oranges, there's some pinks, there's a lot of purples, there's a few glitters in here. So I'm definitely gonna use this when the springtime comes. I'm really excited to do that, so it's gonna be fun. And the very last one was another palette that was a part of their subscription box video. This is called Let's Go Girls. Oh, it's so cute. I love this packaging. Very, very cute. It's very cowgirl, western vibes. This is the back. You guys ready to see the colors? So this is the mirror, very pretty. These are all the colors, very pink, a few purple shades, like a very nice silver shade. I really think this is super cute. Definitely gives me like Valentine's Day vibes because there's a lot of pinks and purples and there's like a few glitter shades in it. I absolutely love this bundle. I don't know if it's still available on their website. You guys should check it out. That's basically it. It's my unboxing video. This is my last video for the month. I will be taking some time off next month. So I will be back in March to do new tutorials and reviews and all that good stuff. So this is just for me to get some time for myself so I can do other things. I hope you guys understand that. I will be doing some brand ambassador content on my Instagram for the reels. So I have like about 3 reels and 1 review for that. So you guys interested, you guys can follow me on there. My Instagram is Makeup by Maya. I just want to say I had a really fun time with you guys doing this video today. I hope you guys enjoy it. Like this video, subscribe to my, like this video, comment down below. Let me know what you guys think and I'll see you guys later. Bye.